Welcome to Liema's Fast Foods and Takeaways, where you are served coffee-flavored food. This restaurant is situated near the Unibel train station at the border of the university campus. It's a perfect place to attract customers. It is a restaurant that sells fresh home-cooked food. No other business or restaurant can beat that. The secret ingredient is that the food is prepared every single morning. The restaurant was established in 2003 by a woman named Liema. It all started with a ship container, but now the business is blooming. When the restaurant was established, the goal was to accommodate the less privileged people, for example, people from the construction site or people from the townships that didn't have time to eat breakfast or were too busy to cook in the evening. The strength of the business is its quick service. People won't have to wait long before boarding the train. The first weakness is the small container. Since business has increased, the demand has also increased, but the container remains small. The second weakness is the loud noise coming from the passing train. So people cannot enjoy their meal in tranquility without a train disturbing them. The third would be that in winter it becomes super cold, while in summer it becomes super hot. Liema saw a lot of disadvantaged people unable to afford meals within the campus shops, so she saw an opportunity to bridge that gap. Threats would be ongoing riots, usually on weekends or when big functions are held here in school. There are no information systems in the business so far, so here are some recommended. The first would be a till machine. It will be used for calculations and for storage of money. The second would be a computer. Since financial statements are done manually, the computer would save time when doing these records. Speed point machine. Most people these days use cards, so it will accommodate all types of people. Sadly, the restaurant doesn't have a roadside page, but you can get her on this landline number, or personally on this number.
Created using Powtoon.